What is Safuu Protocol? As you know, an effective long-term investor must have a strong fear of losing money as well as the ability to be patient. If you are patient and adhere to your financial objectives, you will accumulate a substantial amount of money over time. And decentralized finance, unlike conventional finance, seeks to benefit the average investor through four major strategies: staking and yield farming, borrowing and lending, and DeFi indexes. So, are you interested in a cryptocurrency that can reward you with more than 300 times the profit while also being completely risk-free? Well, today I'm going to walk you through the process of staking and introduce you to Safuu having a native token with the same name, which is one of the most accessible and easy staking platforms available. But before that, reminder, this is just information, not a piece of advice that you should invest in Safuu Protocol. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video till the end and like it if you benefit from it. Also, be aware of scam comments in the comments section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We will never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. Meanwhile, staking is still one of the most straightforward methods of making your cryptocurrency work for you. Robert Kiyosaki, in his book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has said that the wealthy have money that works for them rather than against them, in comparison to the poor and middle class who work for a living. And in decentralized finance, staking is the most practical approach for investors to get their money to work for them and to earn higher profits. And in staking, the longer you stake an asset, the better the rewards will be. Well, Safuu is one of the best platforms that provides staking with high rewards. DeFi investors benefit from the Safuu DeFi protocol, which offers auto-staking and auto-compounding profit. And you should know that the platform is based on the SAP or Safuu Auto-staking protocol fixed compound interest framework. And holders of the $Safuu token will benefit from this innovative, decentralized technological system, which has a main purpose of providing constant returns to its holders. Nonetheless, the future of the DeFi ecosystem remains bleak, as it is impossible to predict whether the leading projects in the space will be able to survive for an extended period of time, or whether they will continue to be as beneficial and profitable as they become more popular and the platforms become more scalable. One of the most prevalent methods for ensuring the long-term viability of the DeFi ecosystem is to free the ecosystem of its reliance on Ethereum. As one expert put it, to secure a sustainable future for DeFi, we need to look beyond Ethereum. One such protocol could be Safuu. But what is Safuu? And is it a good investment in 2022? Well, Safuu, which is short for Sustainable Asset Fund for Universal Users, is a platform that has been built specifically for staking and has cutting-edge principles to guarantee that it will continue to operate far into the future and stay profitable even as it grows. Safuu is a one-of-a-kind DeFi initiative established by creator and CEO Brian Legend. Well, his success is written in his name. He is an Australian entrepreneur who has amassed $1 million fortune on his own. According to one of Brian's quotes, crypto itself will not be going away, but most cryptos will. What he was getting at was that the future of blockchain and cryptography is secure, but that the vast majority of the crypto projects now in existence will not be around in the coming years. This is due to the fact that they are not well equipped for operating in a decentralized manner. But Safuu, unlike other protocols, is here to stay. Auto-staking and auto-compounding are integrated into Safuu through the use of rebasing. A rebase, also known as a price-elastic token, is one that is developed in such a manner that the circulating token supply automatically adjusts, meaning it increases or lowers in response to the changes in the value of the token. Safuu's sustainable rebasing process not only provides the greatest annual percentage yield in the market, but it also addresses how to stay profitable even as the company grows. Safuu, through its proprietary SAP protocol, offers a decentralized financial asset protocol that rewards users with a sustainable fixed compound interest model that is both scalable and predictable. The platform presently has the distinction of being one of the most paying DeFi protocols in the sector, with stakers earning over 300,000% annualized return on investment. The APY is given out after every rebase, which occurs every 15 minutes. This is the compound interest that I talk about. So, if you are a holder of a Safuu token, within every 15 minutes you will receive staking rewards. So you just need to purchase and keep Safuu tokens in your crypto wallets to receive payouts. Now, about the features of Safuu which makes it irresistible is its long-term viability, which is a result of the brilliant smart contract and one-of-a-kind proprietary process that has been developed on the platform. Also, there are a few names in the Safuu protocol that you know about. I will go over them in a second. Well, these names are Safuu Fire Pit, Safuu Insurance Fund, Safuu Treasury, and Safuu Automatic Liquidity Engine, or you can just call it SAIL. Now, Safuu's Fire Pit, which is a buyback and burn contract that limits the circulating number of Safuu tokens, is critical to the project's long-term viability despite its high annual percentage rate. According to the company's website, 2.5% of every Safuu exchanged is used to fuel the Fire Pit's operations. This means that the greater number of tokens exchanged, the greater number of tokens permanently withdrawn from circulation. This increases the size of the Fire Pit due to the self-fulfilling auto-compounding function, which reduces the amount of circulating supply while maintaining the stability of the Safuu protocol. To add to this, the Safuu DeFi protocol also incorporates the Safuu Insurance Fund, which ensures price stability and long-term viability by paying all Safuu token holders a stable 0.02355% rebase rate on a daily basis. The insurance fund also receives a portion of the trading cost, which helps to maintain and support the staking benefits offered by the positive rebase. And to keep the price stable of the Safuu token, the Safuu Insurance Fund helps to avoid flash crashes on the Safuu token, and it also helps to reduce the negative risks associated with DeFi. The Treasury gives assistance to the Safuu Insurance Fund in the case of a precipitous decline in the value of the Safuu token. The Treasury also provides funding for investments, new Safuu initiatives, and Safuu marketing campaigns. Now, the tokenomics of the system assures that the protocol stays stable, scalable, and lucrative as the number of users increases over time. And Safuu's token supply is limited to 325,000 Safuu, and with an auto burn rate of 2.5%, auto-staking, and the factor of rebase at 15-minute intervals, the token's long-term viability is more linearly progressed. Simply said, the more that is exchanged on a daily basis, the larger the Treasury and Safuu Insurance Fund balance rises automatically. So, assisting with long-term sustainability and future expansion of the organization. And lastly, Safuu Automatic Liquidity Engine, or SAIL, automatically injects an extra 4% liquidity every 48 hours to preserve protocol stability and to ensure that the annual percentage yield is maintained for the duration of Safuu's existence. It also offers a greater liquidity to the pool, allowing token holders to sell their tokens at any moment, with little or no market slippage, as the pool grows in size. Now, is Safuu a good investment? Well, Assure DeFi and Rug Doc have authorized Safuu for KYC, which means the platform has followed all regulatory requirements necessary to operate in the financial industry. The CEO of Safuu is highly seasoned and leads a devoted team of industry specialists. So, that critical layer of integrity and confidence is provided. Users also benefit much by just supplying liquidity and participating in the community through the platform. But remember, do your own research before investing in any crypto. So with that, today's video ends. If you gained any value in today's video and want to see more in the future, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and press the notification bell. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.